Need to set an alarm on Alexa? You can do it using just your voice. In this video, I'll show you how to set up an alarm on your Amazon Alexa device step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Using voice commands. This is the quickest and most direct way to set up an alarm. Simply say, Alexa, set an alarm for 5 p.m., for example. Method 2. Using the Alexa app. Open up the Alexa app on your phone. Then tap on the More icon here. Then tap Alarms and Timers. Now tap on the plus icon to add an alarm. Set the time for your alarm by scrolling through the hour and minute sections. Select the device you want the alarm to sound on. If you have multiple Alexa devices, set the repeat schedule by tapping repeat and choosing the desired days. Choose the sound for your alarm by tapping sounds. Tap save from the top right corner. And this is how you can set an alarm on your Amazon Alexa device. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.